Hello, network experts. I'm Emmanuel Corrals, your guide through the exciting journey of mastering MikroTik CHR. In this section, we'll be diving into the essential skill of logging into your CHR. We've got three methods at our disposal: WebFig, WinBox, and SSH. Let's explore each one step by step. Method 1, WebFig, your web-based friend. WebFig is a fantastic web-based interface that allows you to configure your CHR router through your browser. It's user-friendly and perfect for those who prefer a graphical interface. To begin with, you fire up your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. You type the IP address of your CHR in the address bar. Usually it's something like 192.168.88.1 for standard MikroTik router OS, but it might vary based on your network setup, and it certainly should if you are using a cloud environment like I am. This IP would be the same one your service provider assigned to your VPS, which we added in a previous video. You hit enter. After typing that, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. The default username is usually admin and the password is blank. Make sure to change these defaults for security reasons once you're in. If you already updated the password over VNC like we did previously, use admin as username and then the password that you had configured. Once logged in, you'll find yourself in the WebFig interface where you can navigate through the various tabs to configure your router settings. Method 2, using WinBox, a desktop delight. WinBox is a desktop application that offers a more robust and feature-rich experience compared to WebFig. It's ideal for those who want a powerful tool with a straightforward interface. You can download WinBox from the official MikroTik website, www.mikrotik.com. You click on Software at the top menu, click on WinBox, select your system architecture, download and double-click on it to install it on your computer. Then go ahead and launch the WinBox application. You'll see a small window prompting you to connect to your router. In the connector field, you enter the IP address of your CHR. Again, the same IP that you already assigned to your router from your VPS provider. Enter your login credentials. The default username and password are the same as for WebFig. Admin and empty password, or admin and the password you had set. Then hit enter or click connect. Now, if everything goes well, you should be live in the WinBox interface. Welcome to WinBox. You'll notice a more detailed interface compared to WebFig, giving you access to a wide array of configuration options. Method 3, SSH, Command Line Mastery. For those who love the command line, SSH or Secure Shell is the way to go. It's powerful and often the choice of seasoned network administrators for its straightforward approach. If you're using a Windows machine, you can use an SSH client like PuTTY and follow same exact method we used earlier to access the VPS, only that this time it will be taking you right into the CHR router OS. For Mac or Linux, you open your terminal. The SSH command to type in is SSH space admin at the IP of your CHR router. Then you hit enter. You enter your password when prompted. This could be blank, in which case you just hit enter again. If you have already updated your password, you simply type in the password you created and hit enter. Congratulations, you've entered the CLI or command line interface of your CHR router. Here you can type commands directly to configure your router. Now, you've learned how to log into your CHR router using WebFig, WinBox, and SSH. In the next video, we'll delve deeper into the MikroTik router OS interface. Get ready to explore the ins and outs of the system, understand initial configurations, and activate your CHR license. Stay tuned for more exciting content on your journey to mastering MikroTik CHR.